guys, welcome back to Free Spirit Tarot, Triple V Tarot. I'm Rishale, psychic reader. I read according to my intuition and energies. Before starting this video, I want to thank all my supporters and subscribers who are making this channel grow. A special mention to social introvert subscriber who gave a lovely comment from Canada. Thank you. I will try to post frequent videos. Also, I'm planning to give you few free readings on Sunday, 7th March 2021 at 11:30 a.m. So do join me on that day. So let's do general collective reading for sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. So if your sign is in your chart, if Sun is Libra, Moon is Libra, Rising is Libra, or Venus is Libra, this reading is for you. This is a straight up reading what you need to know about your current situation. So it includes problems you are facing, the lies you believe in, the true facts, solutions with advice, and current energy surrounding. It's a general reading. It may or may not resonate. So if it doesn't resonate, it's not your story and the messages are not for you. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for all your love and support. So let's get started. I have already shuffled the cards. So the first row is about these are the cards, these are the passive messages, okay, about your reading. It says impasse, reflect and redirect your energy, okay. Second is watching clouds, lay back, rest and relax. You had been very busy lately, I think so. So you need to sit back, rest and relax. And the third card is first light, beginning a new cycle. It can be in your career, in your love life. There is a new beginning waiting for you. So you need to relax first. And distance thunder, clear the air. This is a shadow card. So you need to be ready for whatever is coming. Don't worry because this thunder is not going to last forever. So what are your current energies? Your current energies are Prince of Pentacle. See, can you see that? Yeah. Prince of Pentacle, the Emperor, Chariot, Ten of Cups, and the Hangman. So what these cards are telling me is you had been waiting from a father figure or a senior or your boss for some payout which was coming very slow, and you were waiting for this offer, you are still waiting for that offer, and so that it can fulfill you, so that is your happiness. If you get that financial abundance, I guess, so you need to move forward. Chariot is moving forward, you need to move forward, you are waiting. So this is your current energy what you are in, okay. So this is what it is. So what are the energies, what are the signs? Signs I can see here is Aries, Libra. Yeah, that is what I can see. Mostly these are the signs. Take if it resonates. I don't believe much in signs because most of the time we embody a lot of signs which are in our cards. So what is exactly the problem you are going through now? You have, okay, Page of Swords, Justice, Five of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, and Two of Swords. So your problem is that you are seeking for justice. Something injustice has happened with you. Some imbalance is there which you are going through. So you are looking out how to balance this financial instability in your life. because of which you are blocking any new commitment in love. That is what I can sense from these cards. Yeah, you are having some financial issues because of some imbalance in your life, because of someone it may be. So you're just waiting and watching. You're watching for this, how these scales can be balanced about your money. For that, your focus is on your money. That is why you're blocking your new, anything new in love. That is what I can see. Okay. So that is why it is saying that rest, lay back, rest and relax, because you are going through lot of turmoil in your financial things. Okay. As we saw here that this financial offer you were waiting for was very slow, and you have still been waiting. You are in hangman position right now. Once this offer comes, you'll be happy and you'll move forward. That is what it is saying. So that is the problem. Basic right now you are facing this problem, this challenge. Now, what is the lie that you believe in? You have Three of Cups, the World, Seven of Wands, King of Cups, and Six of Cups. So Six of Cups, here lot of love I can see. The lie is that a person from your past who will offer you King of Cups, like he will offer you love, and he wants a new reconciliation with you, but the things were ended in past, so you are quite defensive with him or them. So it's a lie that they will come and offer you this love. Yeah, you believe you are already defensive, that I can see here. Actually, in this, the lie is that they will offer you love, but that will not be real. That is not the one you are looking. He is a liar straight away. So this is the lie you want to believe, that they will offer you their cup and they will come back and reconcile with you. That is a lie. Just forget about them for time being. Tarot card means what? Tarot card means it gives you a small idea regarding your current energies, what you feel right now, what is going on, and some suggestions. So it is your life, you can take decisions accordingly, no? So this is the lies you believe in. This is the problem. Now let's see what is the truth. High Priestess, Knight of Wands, Eight of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, and Five of Wands. These are the cards. So I can see that the truth is that you are working on your passion silently to make money. That is the truth. So that you can overcome this competition and this insufficiency of money, this lack of money. Here also Five of Pentacles, you are going through some serious financial problems. So what you are doing right now, the truth is that if you are working on some passion, you are holding back from everybody. You are not showing that to anybody, that you are working on your money very hard. You are working very hard. That is the truth. So that you can overcome this money problem and any competition. And here is first light. So beginning of a new cycle can be that you are looking out for a good job or good money, new business. You can start with a new idea you are having to make money. Yeah, I got that point now. So that is the truth. Okay. So what else? Solution. Okay. So you have Three of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, Two of Swords, Princess of Pentacles. Ace of Wands. Okay, the solution of your problem is that I am seeing that this is not a love reading regarding you, Libra. It is a completely financial thing I can see, because there are a lot of pentacle things going on here. So, what solution? According to cards, you have to work with, you have to collaborate for your money thing. Let it be a small thing, but you are not seeing, you are blocking this small offer which are offered to you. You are looking for a more stable. Princess of Pentacles in this tarot is Knight of Pentacles. So Knight of Pentacles is a slow moving thing, but it is a stable offer. So what you are blocking is, you are blocking the small offers. But if you have to work in group, you will get small part of that money, so you're blocking that. And you have to work on your stability with new, like Ace of Wands is a new concept. If you have any new idea regarding how to make more money, or a new business, or a new job offer, you should go for it. That is what it is saying. So I'll take out some advice cards for you. Any other messages? Eight of Swords, you Eight of Swords. You are so much worried. These are too many. I'm not taking this. Okay, give me two more cards. Give me two more cards. Advice for Libra. Lot of fives are there. I can see that lot of fives are there. So five means change. So you need to make a change. You cannot sit and lay back just, yeah. Nine of Pentacles. See, 8, 9. Nine of Pentacles. If you come out of your head, if you go for a new start, you will be happily, yeah. Six of Wands. Someone, if you had some idea, select 2.2 wand, two of Wands, sorry. So two of Wands, Six of Wands. If you have had any idea regarding money, business, career in past, which you were stuck onto, can help you out, that can be one option to get out of this money problem. And you will be happily single with money in your background. Can you see the money? I think still you are stuck just because, can you see this girl? She is sad. But normally Nine of Pentacles is a happily single card. But I think some love, this past person who is coming back, because of them you are stuck in, because of that you are stuck with, you stuck in your head regarding them, because they are coming back. But you, if you have one more option in that, you can just go for it, because in long term it will help you. And if it is regarding your career and money related, still if you had some idea in past regarding that, that can come back. And don't get stuck, because it will give you lot of abundance. Yeah, that is what it means to me. Okay, so that's it. I hope this reading has helped you understand your current situation to some extent. Please do like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. For personal readings, do check description box down below. See you soon in next video. Till then, love and light.